up, everyone? Welcome to another video with Habibi Motorsports. Today we have this Mk5 Supra. Tuned the car, fuel pressure sensor failed. We just replaced it. So now we got the fuel pressure compensation set up in the tune. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to start with the lowest power map, which is map 1. We're going to run it on the dyno, see what kind of power it makes, and then basically it's really to check to see if the fuel pressure sensor is working like it should. Then once we verify that it's working, all the fueling is proper and exactly where it needs to be, then we can start ramping up to the power, and hopefully we hit our goal of 1,000 horsepower today. Awesome, now we got the car warmed up. We just kind of rolled the car on the dyno, get up to speed. We're going to check the straps, make some adjustments. Now we're getting ready to do a pull on map 1, which is again the lowest map. Probably make like 550-ish horsepower, maybe 600. So now that we got the slicks off the car, and map 1 we're expecting it to make somewhere around 600-ish horsepower. We accidentally just made 850 on map 1. We let the car cool down a bit, put some ethanol in it. The highest we can get it up to was E70. This car will make quite a bit more power if it's actually at full E. The higher the ethanol content, the more power it's going to make. And we're going to do a quick test run. I think this one should do the 1,000 horsepower for sure. So on that last pull, I reviewed the data log. Basically is I had a torque limiter in the tune that's based on time. So I started the car because the car was already warmed up. We had just did a pull. I was just reviewing a quick data log, and then the car basically held power back until that timer ran out, and then halfway through the pull it ramped in all the boost that I commanded. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna let the car idle for about a minute or so. Once that timer's passed, zeroed out, we should get a proper dyno pull this time. Now we're officially doing full power run on map 2, and then right now the car only has about 65% ethanol, and it has pretty much a full tank, so we're trying to really get that fuel out of the car. And then we're gonna throw some E98 in it, try to bring that ethanol content up as close as we can to 75% or higher. Once we do that, then we can go to map 3, and that should be our full power map. Then we can see some steam out of this thing. This car is going to make some sauce, so let's see what it can make.
Made 970.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I told you we're going to hit 1,000. Map 2 made 970 wheel horsepower. Pretty sure map 3 should be 4 digits. We're going to see 4 digits today. Alright, so now the car was reading around 64-65% ethanol. Just put some E98 in it, try to bring that ethanol content up as high as we can. Run through the gears, get that fuel to circulate a little bit. We should be able to do a run on map 3. If everything looks good, then we're going to see that 4-digit horsepower number.
Baby.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen, 1,000 horsepower, just like that. There's no reason to push this car. It's a street car, you know, 20-30 horsepower at 1,000 horsepower level, not a huge difference, you know what I mean? Our goal is to get you the horsepower goal that you want, but also make your car safe, reliable, and repeatable power. That's the whole point of all this. Right now, that's perfect. I'm calling it good. We're gonna give the car back to the customer and get his reaction. Hopefully he's happy.
All right, what up guys? It is delivery day and we are here with Gabe
the owner of this Mk5 Supra. We're about to do a customer ride along and reaction in this Supra to see what he thinks about his new Habibi Motorsports tune. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, we're about to get into some pulls here. We're still on map 1. This car comes with 3 maps after the Habibi tune. The first map is about 800, second map's about 900, and the third map's 1,000. So we're gonna see what she does. I think we're gonna run map 1, right?
Map 2.
We're gonna run map 2. So we should be about, sitting at about 900.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Getting onto the highway right now. In Mexico, of course. Holy fuck. Your initial impressions.
It sounds good.
How would you say it's driving compared to before?
Nastier.
I got the chance to ride this car before all this tuning happened, and it definitely feels a lot more linear, a lot quicker. So, like,
more raw.
A lot more raw, yeah. So that's an A+.
I want to hear the anti-lag really bad. I just don't remember how to do it.
I'm pretty sure you said you hold down.
Yeah.
There it is.
I don't know if I want to try that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just finished Gabe's car. This is his Supra. He's gonna give us his feedback. So Gabe, you just drove your car, just made 1,001 wheel horsepower. What do you think?
Well, car's way more rowdy. Love it. Never had burbles on my car. I think that's sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited to take it to track tomorrow.
Hell yeah, man. What do you think of the power delivery and the drivability? How is that?
Never ran any lag on my Supra, so I mean, adding that on was definitely a game changer. I think that's gonna help a lot with roll racing. That's gonna be awesome. But yeah.
Awesome. So what we did on this car, we added burbles. The burbles, you love it or hate it, whatever it is. On these cars, it's actually beneficial, especially when you're running a big turbo. So what we recommend is you downshift a couple times, let our burbles put some heat in the turbo. It actually spools up, according to our data logs, it spools up about 400 RPM sooner. When you're roll racing or drag racing, 400 RPM earlier boost, that's pretty significant amount of difference. Anytime you get the turbo to come on sooner, every little bit helps in the quarter mile or drag race, half mile, whatever event you're doing, whatever event you're into. We always want to give you that little bit extra edge over your competitors. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video, send it to your friends, family, whoever. Follow us on YouTube.